Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve not working on Snapchat, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage and you click here. Then this list you click clear cache. Then don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.